In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App not available in your region or in your. So many of us face this problem of the region in Cash App, but he wants to fix this problem, but he can't. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. The first method to fix this problem, the first solution, as you know, you will change the Cash App region settings. You go to your Cash App, then go to settings and change the region. Change the region or search for your region. This is the first problem, the first solution. The second solution is by going to update your app. To go to Play Store, search for app and update it. The third solution for this problem is by contacting Cash App support. Go to Google and search for Cash App support. For example, support email. Then go and copy this email like this. Then go to email or Gmail. You go to the Gmail. Go here and click on compose. Then what you're going to do, you paste the email of Cash App support team. Then right here, hi Cash App support, Cash App support, please, I face problem with my region. And I can't use the app. Please add my region and write your region here. Add your region name here. For example, Algeria, like this. To better install and use the app. At the end, write thanks for helping me. Don't miss to send this message at the end. Click here. Then the Cash App will review your message and it will be add the country that's face this problem. Second solution for this problem is by using VPN. You will be installing VPN, as you know, a VPN app in your phone. If you use like this, you search for VPN, then you download a VPN Master or Turbo VPN, for example. Then when you install a VPN app, what you're gonna do, you will change your country and use another country or another VPN to, for example, use United States or United Kingdom. Then install your app or use your app or use your cashapp.com website. This is how we fix this problem. I hope this video how we fix the problem of the region or the app not available in your region. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.